Guten Morgen, Bitcoin. Today is Monday, October 19th, 2017. Heute ist Donnerstag, der 19. Oktober 2017. Mein Name ist Thomas Hunt und das passiert heute mit Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin was up 5.33% in the last 24 hours, with a last of 55.93, a high of 56.42, and a low of 51.79. The price of $1 in Satoshis is 17,744. Our top story, People's Bank of China, digital currency chief calls for a state cryptocurrency. That's right, China, the country that recently banned Bitcoin, is now looking to create their own Bitcoin, following the steps of Russia with the crypto ruble and Dubai with the Emirates coin. Very interesting developments from the governments on the cryptocurrency front. China's Bitcoin ban is no match for the stateless cryptocurrency market. Everyone freaked out, but then it didn't matter. Bitcoin prices fell, Ether prices fell, and then the cryptocurrency startups shook it all off. It was as if they were punched in the face, shook the cobwebs out off their head, and remembered that the whole blockchain thing is decentralized and autonomous. That's the point. Banned in one country, moved to another. Now they're back on their feet in most cases, like a Terminator cyborg. Hard to knock down. Get knocked down 5 times, get up 6 times. A top Russian economic official just said, Bitcoin is worse than casinos. As he said at the World Festival of Youth in Sochi on Tuesday, as for Bitcoin, if you look at how this asset fluctuates, it's dozens of percent up, then dozens of percent down, parentheses, and then dozens of percent up again. An asset that can be available for an unqualified investor should not have such characteristics because it's worse than casinos. First you earn, then you lose everything and will be left with nothing. It sounds like someone's projecting and describing himself. I'd be careful about holding on to those Russian rubles for too long. Bitcoin is not the new gold, Goldman Sachs says. They say that precious metals are still the best long-term store of value. This is like a company saying that email is no good and snail mail is still the best way to send your money around. Email is the future. Bitcoin is like email for money. I know you guys don't like it, but the more you fight, the worse it's going to get. Bitcoin exchange LocalBitcoins posts a fourfold trading volume increase in Venezuela. That's right, LocalBitcoins has gone from processing around 9 billion bolivars to 40 billion bolivars, despite a crackdown on digital currency mining by the Venezuelan government and no advertising or support in the country from Bitcoin. This is all underground, word of mouth marketing. People hear about Bitcoin, then they buy Bitcoin. And finally, Vanuatu denies that it will accept Bitcoin for its $200,000 citizenship program. They might not take Bitcoin, but if you convert your Bitcoin to $200,000, you could still buy citizenship at the South Pacific island of Vanuatu, which gains you access to several European Union countries. Nice places. Thanks so much for watching Today in Bitcoin. This is just a quick update. Thanks so much to everybody who donated and signed up for my Patreon account. If you'd like to donate a small amount monthly, you could sign up at Patreon and donate about $5 or $10 a month, as much as you'd like. If you'd like to just scan the QR code on your screen, you could send 10 or 20 bucks, show your support for the show and independent media. And we really like doing this show, so I hope you like watching us. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and a share. You could share the video on YouTube or Twitter or Facebook, or leave a positive comment below. All of these things help, and it's with every little bit it helps. We're up to 38,000 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe down below. We do these videos every day. And now a reading from The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy by Douglas Adams. President of the imperial galactic government. The president is very much a figurehead. He wields no real power whatsoever. He is apparently chosen by the government, but those of finely judged outrage. For this reason, the president is always a controversial choice, always infuriating but fascinating character. His job is not to wield power, but to draw attention away from it. An orange sash is what the president of the galaxy usually wears. On those criteria, Zaphod Beeblebrox is one of the most successful presidents the galaxy has ever had. He spent 2 of his 10 presidential years in prison for fraud. Very few people realize that the president of the government have virtually no power at all. And of these people, only 6 know where ultimate political power is wielded. Most of the others secretly believe that the ultimate decision-making process is handled by a computer. They couldn't be more wrong. And thanks for watching. We'll be back soon. Bye-bye. Oh, we got no video at all. Great. Maybe we'll do it again. We'll see. Thanks, YouTube.